And now for something completely different.
G'day. Well, I thought I'd come out here in the bush for a bit of peace and quiet. Now, a while ago it was suggested maybe I should have a cowboy and Indian scene in the background or something, but I think that'd be a bit superfluous. So, yeah, sitting out in the bush here, peace and quiet, just the birds around, nothing at all to disturb me. I wasn't expecting that. Nor that. Oh, I tell you what, you think you come out here for peace and quiet, but... Ah! Ah! Oh. I thought it was supposed to be peaceful out here. Anyway, I think the worst of it's gone now. Surely, nothing else can happen while I'm out here. I think I should have just stayed at home where it's quiet and safe. I tell you, the best way to save me is just to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the little bell, because I'm just putting my life in jeopardy doing this sort of stuff. I'm keeping my head down until it's safe. I've got a feeling it's far from over. This looks like a full-on invasion. I think I'm going to have to take matters into my own hands. I'm heading back home where it's peaceful and safe. See you later. Cheers. See you later. Cheers.